Hello, I am Sumant Mai, Technical Marketing Engineer in Cisco's Enterprise Networking Business Unit. Today I am going to introduce you to the best-in-class enterprise aggregation platforms, Cisco's Catalyst 8500 series edge platforms. The enterprise network infrastructures are experiencing an all-new shift today. Multi-cloud world is reshaping the use cases and redefining the traffic flows for better application experience. Cisco introduced the next generation of enterprise routing platforms in October 2020, the Catalyst 8000 Edge Platforms family. With user-centric design approach, the Catalyst 8000 family leverages the strong iOS XE software innovations, which also taps into the power of scalable hardware architecture with the Contemplo processor and x86 processors at the hardware layer. The Catalyst 8300 series edge platforms offer a modular 10 gig access solution in 2RU and 1RU form factor for branch WAN use cases. The benefits of iOS XE software are offered in virtual form factor to enable cloud-hosted routing instances using Cisco Catalyst 8000V software edge platforms. And to top the performance, we have powerful Catalyst 8500 series edge platforms in 1RU form factor for aggregation WAN use cases. Today, we are going to focus on Catalyst 8500 series edge platforms. Let me help you understand why Catalyst 8500s are highly capable 1RU enterprise routing platforms. Starting with integrated reach services. The platform can deliver hardware accelerated high performance for multi-services features such as NBAR2 NAT, enterprise firewall, and comprehensive QoS. From scale point of view, these platforms can aggregate up to 8,000 SD-WAN tunnels. The high-speed 10 gig and 40 gig ports as well as high-density 10 gig and 1 gig ports are built-in offered without any port licenses required. When it comes to the multi-layer security, all built-in interfaces support WAN MACsec, while high-performance IPsec is provided for greater throughput and layer 3 encryption. The trustworthy solutions help ensure the authenticity of the hardware and software. The Catalyst 8500 series edge platforms also capable of delivering edge compute solutions with one service core dedicatedly available for IOX application hosting. Manageability point of view, these can be managed using vManage to enable them into SD-WAN use cases, while they can be used using DNS Center for traditional routing scenarios. All the feature richness, the high scale multi-layer security, edge intelligence aspect are offered in a compact 1RU form factor for each of the Catalyst 8500 series edge platforms. The Catalyst 8500 platforms are successor to the well-known ASR 1000 fixed routing platform family. In the top-end platforms, the 8500 12x4QC and C8500 12x platforms host third-generation Contemplo processor ASIC. QFP 3.0 does take the data plane innovations to the next level compared to the previous QFP ASICs that are used in ASR 1000 family. Along with the traffic forwarding and reach services application, QFP 3.0 also does cryptography as well as layer 2 aggregation within the same ASIC. This optimizes the crypto performance and makes it hardware accelerated for better application experiences. QFP driven data plane also assists the dedicated TCAM memories for classification functionalities. The data plane enables us to offer up to 200 Gbps of Ceph performance with the power of QFP 3.0 in the top-end 8500 platforms. On the lower end, we have 8500L 8S4X platform that innovates the data plane with advanced flow-based distribution capabilities. With multi-core x86 system-on-chip architecture, dedicated cores are allocated for control, data and services function in the platform architecture. Flow-based distribution technology optimizes the data plane for better stateful applications performance. As Catalyst 8500 platforms run iOS XE software, they inherit 10 plus years of feature innovation from ASR1K family for WAN aggregation use case, offer high data plane capacity, makes them very much suitable for aggregating high throughput demands in 5G world today. All the built-in ports are WAN MACsec capable, and they do offer the port flexibility up to 100 gig port speeds. Okay, how can I read the platform ID? It's going to be pretty straightforward. C8500 in the QFP driven platform denotes the platform family. The X here actually stands for 10 gig or 1 gig capacity. You can say it SFP plus capacity. So both the platforms QFP driven, which get 12 SFP plus interfaces. The Q stands for 40 gig capacity in the form QSFP. So you get 4 QSFP interface on top end 8500 platform. You also have 100 gig capacity, where out of 4 QSFP interfaces, 2 ports can be used in 100 gig mode also. When it comes to understanding the 8500L platform's PID, here also C8500L is the platform family. The L actually indicates the platform data plane is driven by x86 system on chip architecture. 8S stands for 8 SFP capacity, 8 1 gig ports, and 4X again stands for 4 10 gig interfaces. So this is how the three platforms look like in Catalyst 8500 family. C8500 12x4QC platform offers 12 SFP ports as we learnt earlier, and 4 QSFP ports. All 12 SFP plus ports that you see on the right of the chassis can be used in 10 gig or 1 gig speed based on the transceiver optics being used. The 4 QSFP ports each can be operated in 40 gig speed mode. 2 of them can be used in 100 gig speed as well. We also support the breakout cable option that can convert one 40 gig port into 4 10 gig ports. With the breakout cable option supported in traditional routing mode, you can enable total 24 10 gig ports in the 1RU 8500 platform. In 8500 12X platform, you can have all 12 SFP plus ports capable of 10 gig or 1 gig speed based on the SFP being used. For the lower end 8500L 8S 4X platform, you can get 8 1 gig ports and 4 SFP plus ports. Here also the SFP plus ports are capable of running in 10 gig or 1 gig mode of operation based on the transceiver. Let's look at the front face of the QFP driven Catalyst 8500 platforms. They do have same look and feel as you see here. The newest innovation from user-centric aspect, we do get RFID tags on the left side of the chassis, RJ45 and micro USB console ports on both the platforms. Both the platforms also get USB 3.0 management interface. You do have label tray innovation, which actually gives a strip in which all the label information can be hosted. You can simply pull the strip from this label tray, and which will get you the QR code as well as barcode based information for platform's hardware versioning. From top-end platform, the 8500 12x4QC, the base 0 is with 8 SFP plus ports on the extreme right of the platform. In Bay 1, we get 4 SFP plus ports or 1 QSFP ports in Bay 1. In Bay 2, we do have 3 QSFP ports. So in Bay 1 and Bay 2, the QSFP first port can operate in 100 gig as well as 40 gig mode. When it comes to 8500 12X platform, all the 12 SFP plus ports are part of Bay 0 as you see in the bottom picture. Let's look at the front face of 8500L platform. Here also we do get RFID. It is on the right side of the chassis. two USB 3.0 interfaces. One is type USB-C and one is USB-A type 3.0 interface. You do have RJ45 as well as micro USB console like the other 8500 platforms, and a dedicated management Ethernet interface for out-of-band management as well. There is M.2 SSD drive, which is capable of hosting external or additional storage for the platform. Here also we do get a label tray, which is placed in the bottom of the middle part of the chassis. The 1 gig SFP ports are offered via Bay 0, 8 of them, and Bay 1 gets 4 SFP plus ports. To summarize the introduction, we have two architectural implementations in the Catalyst 8500 series H platforms family: the third generation QFP driven data plane and the advanced flow-based forwarding data plane. The compact 1RU form, built-in trust anchor module, and the hardware accelerated IPsec with line rate maxsec capability on all built-in ports establishes an exceptional hardware for Catalyst 8500 platforms. The hardware is supplemented with iOS XE feature richness that offers SASE, multi-cloud application optimization, multi-domain intent-based networking, and highly scalable services for enterprise use cases with the feature parity with ASR 1000 family as well. While designing the hardware and software, the user-centric aspect was kept as a driving factor. RFID, the label tray, along with 1+1 power supply redundancy, N+1 fan redundancy, and field upgradable modules such as fan, power supply, DRAM as well as storage devices, they add the flexibility in network operations point of view. The real performance tested for Catalyst 8500 platforms makes them highly capable 1RU enterprise aggregation platforms. Here is a quick glimpse of how the Catalyst 8500 platforms position against themselves for the throughput comparison. C8500L 8S4X platform can offer up to 20 Gbps of Ceph capacity, up to 12 Gbps of IPsec crypto for traditional routing, and up to 8.6 Gbps of SD-WAN IPsec capacity. C850012X platform on the QFP driven data path architecture, it can offer up to 118 Gbps of Ceph capacity and up to 30 Gbps of IPsec capacity for traditional routing. In case of SD-WAN IPsec, the performance goes up to 22.6 Gbps for iMix traffic. And to top the performance at the higher end of the portfolio, we have C850012X 4QC platform with Ceph capacity up to 197 Gbps and IPsec capacity up to 46 Gbps for traditional routing, whereas SD-WAN IPsec performance is topped at 31.9 Gbps for iMix traffic. Hope this quick introduction video for Catalyst 8500 series H platforms helped you to understand why these 1RU platforms are best for cloud scale enterprise networks today. Firstly, they are driven by the powerful data plane in the form of QFP 3.0 or x86 advanced flow-based distribution. Secondly, the innovations in the data plane forwarding at hardware and software layers enable these platforms for accelerated services, delivering the best processing speed for your application traffic. Third important dimension is the port flexibility and high-speed connectivity options that makes you capable of direct internet access or direct cloud access with high-speed port which are built-in offered. And last but not the least, the Catalyst 8500 platforms are well equipped with highly scalable control plane for enterprise aggregation scenario. Cisco's Catalyst 8500 series H platforms are ready to deliver the high performance WAN aggregation use cases with best-in-class hardware and rich iOS XE software for scalable services. Thank you for your time and allowing me to introduce you the Catalyst 8500 series H platforms. Have a nice day.